squared minus 12x plus 9. Alright, so first you gotta find the factors of 4, which is 1 and 4 and 2 and 2, and then of 9, which is 3 and 3 and 1 of 9. Then you just plug them in when you factor it and see if they work. Alright, so let's try it and see. So 4x squared, and then outer minus 6x, and last is plus 9. Alright, and then you just set 2x minus 3 to 0. 2x minus 3 equals 0, so you add 3 over, so 2x equals 3, and then x equals 3 over 2. On the next problem, we're going to factor 8x squared equals 48 minus 40x. So you got to put the 48 minus 40x on the other side. So go minus 48 and plus 40x. So minus 48 plus 40x. That cancels out. So 8x squared plus 40x minus 48 equals 0. And then you can factor out an 8 from each one. So x squared plus 5x minus 6 equals 0. And then you do just like you did before. So the factors of x is 1 and 1, and of 6 is 2 and 3 and 1 and 6. So x and x, and then plus 6 and minus 1. So x squared minus 1x plus 6x and minus 1. Minus 6. X squared plus 5x minus 6 equals 0, so it's the same. So just set each one equal to 0 now. So x plus 6 equals 0, and x minus 1 equals 0. Minus 6, x equals negative 6, and plus 1, so x is equal to 1. You have to put this problem in the quadratic function too. Negative 1 over 3 and negative 1 over half. So you just set each one equal to x, and then you just set it equal to 0. So you have to multiply by 3 to get the 3 over. And so 3x is equal to negative 1. And then you add 1 to cancel it out and add 1 over. So 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. And then for the 2, it's x is equal to negative 1 over 2. You multiply by 2 to cancel it out, multiply by 2. So 2x is equal to negative 1, and then you add 1 over. So it cancels the 1 out. So 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. And then you just follow it out. 3x plus 1 and 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. So 6x squared plus 3x plus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. And then it's 6x squared plus 5x plus 1 equals 0. On the next problem, you gotta plug it into the quadratic equation. And so first, you have to set each one equal to x, and then set them equal to 0. So you add 3 over, and then you add or subtract 4 over. So x plus 3 equals 0, and x minus 4 equals 0. And then you just full. X plus 3, x minus 4 equals 0. And so first times first is x squared, outer is minus 4x, inner is plus 3x, and last is minus 12. And so it equals x squared minus x minus 12 equals 0.